We're going to be looking at doing a speed session using 400-meter reps. So let's go and look at the session. So what are we doing? We're doing 10 times 400s. How long is the recovery? Around about 3 minutes. We want to be completely recovered. What we're going to be doing for this session is to jog back the 400 really slowly. What we could also do on different days is recover at one end. It's just about being completely recovered. If it's slightly cool, then it's not a bad idea to have a jogging recovery, but really slowly. Where are we going to be doing it? We're going to be doing it on a course that's going slightly downhill at the end. Why the downhill part? Well, this is really important part of the session. It's to give you the feel of accelerating during the tighter part, so you can take risks with your speed at the initial stages. And it's about getting a real sense of being able to accelerate and going really quickly. Let's take a look at the course. Jogging around to get a feel for where we can go, and we're using some roads that we've used quite a lot before. One of the main reasons for doing this is the fact that there's a cycle lane and a path, so there's plenty of width for us to run along. There are no potholes in the roads at the moment, which is also fantastic. Now, I've done a map of it using MapMyRun, which is just up there, so you click on that, and I'll put it in the notes at the end so you can see where it is. So we're going to be starting off at the where the cycle lane starts or ends. A nice little red patch that marks the start perfectly just there. You can just see it, and we'll start. And the finish line is just the end of a downhill section. Just before you get to the roundabout, there is a line on the road. You can see it just there. And it's right where the grass verge ends just before the roundabout start. So let's look at the 10 times 400 meters. Reps 1 to 4 are about finding your rhythm, finding your cadence, getting nice and relaxed, getting into the session. You're just about sort of gauging just how quickly you can go. Reps 5 to 7 are about focusing on keeping the stride rate the same, but let's look at increasing the speed. And we do that by taking slightly longer strides. And this is where the downhill section is particularly important, because in this part we want you to be focused on slightly lengthening the stride during those downhill sections. So you gain a bit more confidence to actually just really push it down the downhill sections. Last three, 8 to 10, this is all about really pushing it. It's about taking a risk in the first part of the session, so pushing the first 200, and then using the techniques picked up from reps 5 to 7 of actually being confident to run downhill, increasing the stride rate, and really get some really fast times for those 400 meters.